Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve everything they want while others struggle without ever reaching their dreams? There is a powerful secret that many of the world's greatest achievers share: the power of visualization. What you see in your mind is what you attract into your life. Imagine having the ability to shape your reality simply through your mind. In this video, I'll show you how to use the technique of visualization to turn your deepest desires into reality. It's not magic, but it's just as powerful. Modern science and ancient spiritual practices agree. Visualizing your goals with clarity and intention can be the key to a life of success and happiness. So, if you're ready to unlock the secret that can change your life, stay with me until the end of this video and learn how to visualize like this. Visualization is the practice of creating vivid mental images of something you want to achieve. When you visualize with intensity and repetition, you are programming your subconscious to work in favor of your dreams. It's not just about thinking positively. It's about seeing with your mind's eye what you want to achieve, in as much detail as possible, as if you had already achieved it. Visualization is not a new practice. Ancient cultures, such as the Egyptians and Hindus, already used this technique in their spiritual practices. In the modern era, great athletes, artists, and entrepreneurs attribute their success to this powerful practice. When you imagine something in your mind, your brain doesn't make much difference between what is real and what is imagined. Neuroscience studies show that the same areas of the brain that are activated when you perform an action are triggered when you visualize that action. It's as if your brain is training for success before you even take the first step. In addition, when you visualize, you activate the reticular activating system, RAS, which is like a filter in your brain that determines what is important to you. When you focus on something, the RAS works to make you aware of the opportunities around you that can help you realize that desire. Now for the practical part: how you can start using visualization to achieve your desires. The key here is clarity and emotion. Let's break this down into stages. First stage: define what you want clearly. Before you start visualizing, it's essential that you know exactly what you want. Many people fail here because their desires are vague or undefined. If you don't know what you want, how will you know when you achieve it? Be specific. If your desire is a new job, for example, visualize all the details: the position, the work environment, the colleagues, the salary, and even the feeling you'll get when you achieve this goal. Step 2. Use all your senses. Visualization isn't just about seeing mentally. To make it more powerful, involve all your senses. How does your realization smell, sound, feel, and even taste? The more sensory your visualization is, the more real it will seem to your brain, and the stronger the impact it will have on your subconscious. Step 3. Get emotional. Emotion is the fuel of visualization. Visualizing without emotion is like trying to start a car without gas. You need to feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement of having already achieved what you want. How will you feel when your dreams come true? This emotion creates a powerful vibration, which attracts what you want into your life. Fourth step: be consistent. Visualization is a practice that requires consistency. It's no use visualizing once and waiting for your wishes to come true. Make it a daily habit. Take a few minutes every morning or evening to visualize your goals as if they were already a reality. Over time, you'll start to see significant changes in your life. Visualization is a technique widely used by successful people all over the world. Here are some notable examples of successful people. Like Oprah Winfrey, she has always talked about the power of visualization in her life and how she has used this practice to make her biggest dreams come true. Jim Carrey, before becoming one of Hollywood's greatest actors, wrote himself a check for $10 million and put it in his wallet. He looked at it every day, and years later, he received a check for the exact amount for his role in the film Debbie and Looney. And Michael Phelps, the greatest Olympic medalist in history, used visualization as part of his mental preparation before each competition. He visualized every stroke, every turn, and even what it would be like to win. These people are a few examples that we can draw inspiration from, and be sure that by following all the steps described, we can achieve our desires through faith and visualization. Although visualization is a powerful tool, many face challenges when using it. Here are some common obstacles and how you can overcome them. Lack of clarity. As mentioned earlier, without a clear picture of what you want, your visualization will be ineffective. Take the time to really think through the details of what you want. Doubts. It's normal to have doubts, especially at the beginning. But as you practice, visualization becomes more natural and doubts begin to disappear. Negative thoughts. Our thoughts have a direct impact on visualization. If you find yourself thinking negatively, quickly change your focus to something positive and reaffirm your belief in practice. Here are some more advanced tips, which I use in my daily life, to enhance your visualization. Combine visualization with affirmations. Use affirmation phrases that reinforce what you're visualizing. For example, while visualizing success, repeat to yourself, "I am capable of achieving anything I desire." Create a visualization board. Many people find extra motivation by creating a physical or digital board with images of their goals. This helps you stay focused and remember to visualize every day. My board is next to my desk at work, a strategic place for me to visualize while I work. Guided meditation for visualization. There are several guided meditations available that can help you enter a deep state of visualization. This can be especially useful for beginners. Achieving your wishes is within your reach. Visualization is a powerful tool, but like any skill, it requires practice and dedication. Remember, what you see in your mind is what you create in your life. By adopting the practice of visualization, you are taking the first step towards realizing your greatest desires. Now that you know how to visualize like this, it's time to put it into practice. What are you waiting for? Start today and see your dreams come true. Thanks for being here, and if you liked the video, like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.